Yo YouTube, so what's going on guys? So today's video is going to be on the FiNN LMG, which is the newest LMG to come into Call of Duty. I've been grinding for the past couple of hours to get it to max level to be able to have all the attachments, and mainly to try and use the chainsaw attachment for the weapon itself. My thoughts on the weapon are it's a really good weapon, and I can't wait to try it out in Warzone. I feel like it's going to be really good. Quite a low recoil gun for an LMG, but I wanted to get it to the max level to unlock the chainsaw attachment, which basically turns the LMG into a hip firing minigun. I'm not so sure that the chainsaw attachment will do that well in Warzone, but it was fun to use on multiplayer nonetheless, and I think if you're going to use it, it will be in multiplayer. So this is the FiNN LMG. The setup I had for the footage was the monolithic suppressor, the XRK long shot adverse barrel, the XRK chainsaw attachment, which turns it into a minigun, the FMJ perk, and the 100 round belt. There are an absolute ton of barrels that you can get for the FiNN LMG. The adverse ones basically just increase the fire rate of the weapon. So if you are using the chainsaw attachment, I would suggest putting an adverse barrel on whichever one you think or you like the best, basically, just to give the weapon a bit more faster fire rate to kill the enemies a little bit quicker. I mean, I haven't tried it without, but I just think the long shot adverse seem to work well for me. But you know, feel free to put other barrels on it and give it a go. The chainsaw attachment obviously turns it into the minigun. FMJ perk, just because with the 100 round bout, if you're sort of spraying a little bit and you see people behind walls, the FMJ perk just allows you to kill them through walls a little bit quicker and a little bit easier. And then the monolithic, just to increase the damage range, basically. So unlock the gun, give it a try, see what you guys think. But I think that the chainsaw attachment is quite fun to use. So I hope you enjoy the gameplay. If you're new around here, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Friendly VTOL on station.
Oh.
Friendly Wilson on station, beginning sweep.
Yeah. Is there enemies? Yeah, there is. Oh wow! I didn't even. For God's sake!
Downed him.
No way, man. Oh, I know where he is, but I can't get him because I can't aim it. Why is that guy lying on the floor like that? Oh, he's just sat there camping.
Allied cruise missile away.
Seriously? Come off it. Oh man, where was he then?
Enemy at the shanty town.
Took one out. Striker 3-1, good copy. Striker. UAV entering the AO.
It wouldn't let me slide. For some reason I just crouched.
We're halfway there, keep fighting.
Oh my god. I'd even like tried to sprint.
UAV has bingo fuel. UAV for resupply.
Wow, what was that?
Enemy at center. Enemy at the junction.
Oh, he is there. I knew I should have went around that corner and just pre-fired.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, I'm looking at the bloody comments at the top. I don't even know why.
Enemy cruise missile. UAV entering the AO.
No.
On your mark.
Call for fire on this target.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound. Impact, no joy.
He's black on some black tires, and I can't really see. How? I don't get that. That's unbelievable.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Enemy at the shanty town.
Oh, I got him.
Enemy at the courtyard.
No way, man. My team, yeah, what am I thinking?
Blotted him.
No. It's just about to move on to. Oh my god. Where am I? Oh man.
Planting explosion. Need to reload.
Oh, I was just about to slide and shoot him. Eh? This. What is that, man?
Enemy at the back alley.
Oh, he was. I heard him move.
Enemy UAV overhead.
So I hit. Not only did I hit him with a C4, I also shot him with 3 bullets,
Enemy at the junkyard.
and he just stands there, and then.
Step it up.
And shoots me back, and then just kill. No.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Eye for an eye.
Enemy at the back alley.
Enemy care package inbound.
Come on, pop out. Nope. Doesn't want to pop out. Again, what? How? The spawns flipped like that. Oh, I should have had both.
Time's up. Move your asses.
Took one out.
I had him, man. I had him.
Planting explosion.
Oh.